oh, oh, oi, Baka, what are you doing? Stop trying to pet my... Oh. Stop petting my ear. Stop, please, stop. Thank you. What do you want? Why were you petting my ears? You wanna... I told you stop petting my ear. Stop. Get out of the way. Stop petting me. Not cute. Cool. Did you get that? Not cute. Handsome. Handsome man. Don't call me cute. Up. I told you to stop kissing me. What do you want to do? Cuddle? Yeah? Alright. Did you like it in my lap? Or do you want me to be in your lap? I'll go in your lap. That's better. Your skin's so soft. What if I just kiss your neck? Then go down to your stomach. Then back up to your lips. Oh, as you pet my ears just once. No, I'm not falling asleep. No. Yeah. Huh? What? No, I didn't fall asleep. No, huh? What? Kiss anybody? Stop. I'm fall asleep. Have I ever told you your eyes are so pretty? Yes? Well, you need to know, because you are beautiful. Little nose peck. You are beautiful. You need to know that. Don't ever let anybody tell you you're not, because you are. I love you. Night.